The Toyota Yaris III, produced from 2011 to 2020, features a traction control system known as TRC. TRC is designed to prevent wheel spin and improve stability, especially on slippery surfaces. It enhances safety by reducing engine power and selectively applying brakes when wheel slippage is detected. This video explains how to enable or disable TRC in your Yaris III. The TRC button is typically located on the lower dashboard near the gear shift or instrument cluster. Look for a button labeled TRC off or a similar designation. It may be integrated with other controls, such as the Vehicle Stability Control (VSC) button. Familiarize yourself with its location for easy access. Here's an example of the TRC button location on a Toyota dashboard. This close-up shows the Track Off button clearly labeled on the dashboard. The Vehicle Stability Control button, which may be integrated with TRC. A broader view of the dashboard area where the button is typically found. To disable TRC, first ensure your vehicle is stationary, preferably in park. Then, press and hold the TRC off button for 3 to 5 seconds. An indicator light, often amber and shaped like a car with skid marks, will illuminate on the dashboard, confirming that TRC is deactivated. Note, disabling TRC can reduce stability, especially on slippery roads. Turning TRC off is generally recommended only for specific situations, such as off-road driving or when attempting to free the vehicle from snow or mud, where wheel spin is needed to gain momentum. Under normal driving conditions, it is best to keep TRC enabled for optimal safety. To re-enable TRC in your Toyota Yaris III, simply press the TRC off button briefly again. The indicator light on the dashboard should turn off, signaling that the traction control system is now active and functioning properly. Always verify that the light is off to ensure the system is fully engaged. In some Yaris III models, particularly European versions, TRC is integrated with Vehicle Stability Control. Disabling both systems might require a longer press of the button or navigating through the vehicle's information screen if equipped. Always consult your specific model's manual for detailed instructions. If the TRC button does not respond, or if the TRC system seems to be malfunctioning, it may indicate a software glitch or a faulty sensor. Consider getting a diagnostic check, especially if your Yaris III is a pre-2015 model, as Toyota has issued service bulletins for software updates to address these issues. For everyday driving, keeping TRC enabled is the safest option. Disabling TRC should be temporary and only done when necessary for specific driving conditions. Remember to consult your Toyota Yaris III owner's manual for the most accurate and model-specific instructions.